Hi, I have some exciting news to share. I wanted to have a drink with you while I told you all about it. My book, Fran Berger, The Catalogue, is finally coming out, pre-sale September 20th. It's all about home entertaining and the beautiful things we can use every day. When I was researching, I found voices like Rachel Zoe in the fashion industry, Nate Berkus in home decor and design, but there was nobody helping you find those beautiful things and the way to use them for home entertaining, which we all love to do. Any cup can hold water. Any plate can hold food, but how it feels in your hand, how it looks on your table, changes your entire experience for your meal. These items that we use every day around the table with our friends and our loved ones are almost more meaningful than art because we live our lives with them. Don't forget, September 20th.